Both of us are so annoying.
I wanted to surprise you with something that you asked for a few days ago. Stop, it's my favorite cake.
This is too sweet.
What is this?
This is nail cutter. I have a simple.
Kalki she came inside, huh? She's like, come here.
You're saying some hoo-choo.
Hey guys, thought I was gonna fall. Hey guys, what's up? My channel and what kind of videos I make depend on what's happening in my life. Nothing's happening in my life. Ever since I graduated in December, if you guys didn't know, in December I came back from the US to India and I've been here since then. But like lockdown happened since like the past 2 months, so I've been home. I know some idiots who have been going out, which pisses me off. People in my personal life who like have gone to like birthday parties and shit. I'm just like, what are you like? I don't support this at all. Like, it's not a big ask to just stay at home when there's people literally dying out there. You literally just have to like sit in your house with your fan, and if you're like privileged enough, an air conditioner and food, a roof over your head. If you have those like basic things, you're so blessed. Just like stay at home. Stop being insensitive and irresponsible. Anyway, I just took a tangent, but basically I went to my Instagram and I was like, guys, like I really want to vlog, but I just don't know what to vlog because nothing is happening, and people are like, Ashna, just pick up the camera and like do nothing and we'll still watch it. Most of my days are just like waking up, taking a shower, eating, watching TV, and then like probably filming some content for Instagram or whatever, and then that's it. Finally, I look like an egg.
My mom's been reading. She's motivated me to read also. Chillin', how are you feeling today?
Good.
We've also been watching Modern Family.
Guys, I've been trying to read this book. My dad gave this book to me because he read it. 8 sweets. My bed isn't made. Please excuse me for that. My sister is a huge reader. My mom's also a huge reader. Dad doesn't really read fiction, but he loves non-fiction, and he recommended this book to me. It basically like talks about self-reflection and the importance of being present in the moment and not really like dwelling on the past or worrying about the future, which I feel like is a major cause of my anxiety. I used to love reading books when I was younger, but as I grew older, I just got very lazy. So I've been listening to this book on Storytel. Storytel is like an audiobook app where you can listen to as many stories and books as you want. It comes in like 12 different languages, which is amazing. So instead of reading this physical copy, I listened to my book, got into a habit of listening to it while falling asleep at night. It helps me like calm down. Like instead of being on my phone, I just plug my AirPods and I'm like listening to the book and I fall asleep. They have this feature called the sleep timer. I'll like put it up on the screen so you can see it right now. Choose like a time for how long I want the book to play before I fall asleep, and once like the timer's gone, the book just like stops automatically, so I don't have to wake up to like stop the book or use my phone. There's also like this speed control feature which allows you to choose the speed that you want your audiobook to play at. I feel like listening to your book on Storytel gives you a lot more flexibility. I can listen to my book when I'm cleaning my room. I can get like 2 things done at a time. Storytel also has over 2 lakh audiobooks to choose from, and I feel like it's just perfect for lazy readers. Finally, Storytel is offering an exclusive discount offer, which is 90 days access for ₹375 only. Okay, I'm making tea for my parents. I've been making tea on most days, no? Most. Yeah, she goes most. Most days I've been making tea. Bread toast paise. I'm making toast for them. I think you guys like chill vlogs where I'm doing nothing but I'm also doing something. But I feel like I'm doing nothing but I'm actually doing something. I don't know if that makes sense, but
Now the chart is our perfect. Gloria is my mom's favorite character, right? Anything that Gloria does, my mom's always cracking it.
I know nothing about alcohol because I said this on my Instagram also while answering questions. I have nothing against people who enjoy alcohol, and I have nothing against alcohol in itself. It's just not for me. It doesn't make me better than or less than anybody who does consume alcohol, and I respect everybody's choices. It's just not for me. I literally like called the guy. I was like, recommend karo something. I have no idea what I'm doing, and it's coming soon. Hopefully that makes her day.
Guys, look at the freaking sky. My mom is watching the reel I just made. Nice one. She's giving him directions.
She
अच्छा तो
doesn't
अभी
even
आप
know
किस
it's for her.
सिग्नल पे हो राइट वो जो सिग्नल है ना वहाँ
That's
से
my
आपको
address.
लेफ्ट लेना है
That's my literal address. He's finally here. I had to give him so much direction and stuff. Guys, this is a major fail. This is my entire life. Like literally, I try to do something nice and it turns out to be something annoying. So I told that guy, I was like, I'll either GPay you or like send a card machine or whatever. And I was ready with my wallet and everything to go down and like freaking pay and like get it upar and like have this whole like little like hi mom like cute little like surprise thing. Freaking he's like card machine nahi laya. I was like that guy literally told me he's sending a card machine with him and I was like okay at least Google Pay. He's like he's like scan something. He has to scan. I don't have it. My mom has it, so she's coming down with me. This is a major fail. I'm bringing you guys with me because she still doesn't know, but I'm just like taking you with me. Do you know what this package is?
I don't know. And what is he saying scanning even that I don't know.
I don't know what the scanning is saying.
इधर बोला ले क्या
और स्कैन क्या करना है हैप्पी फीस वगैरह
I bought you white wine, bro. And I was gonna surprise you.
सरप्राइज माला सरप्राइज करा
Freaking, I thought I'd do a nice surprise. And this has never happened. How many packages have I gotten in the past month? At least 6 packages in the last month. If not more than that. And this has never been a problem. I chupchap go niche and go get it. Nobody even like knows what I'm getting. Guys, this is how the surprise was supposed to go. Not what you just saw. I wanted to surprise you with something that you asked for a few days ago. Here you
Oh,
go.
thank you. You made my day.
Guys, it's the next day. I just got 2 boxes delivered to my house. It's cake. Stop. It's my favorite cake.
This is too sweet. What's up with like my friends delivering cake to my house randomly just because like it's not even an occasion or anything. This is too sweet. And now he's on a Zoom call, so we'll call him later and then ask him. This is so sweet. What is this?
What's up?
This is too sweet.
I have been trying since last night. It's only deliverable tomorrow or something. And I was like, hello, your app is weird because I...
This is mama's bread. It was not opening. This is how I opened. हे पहिलं असं आत घातलं.
Okay, wait, give them a context. This drawer was stuck by the way because I chucked all of these things inside and I closed it, so it wasn't opening for like 3 days. And we've all been trying to like freaking open it for the past 3 days.
Use your brains, not your strength.
Whoa.
This is just what I did was then I tried to put it inside. So automatically it opened.
Okay, smarty, forget that. Tell them, show them how you entered my room. Please show them. Guys, I was literally sitting here in peace, like trying to edit a video. And this is where I get my psycho from, by the way.
Hi.
This is not how she entered. She closed the door and showed karke she came inside. She's like, come here.
It's currently 4:47 p.m. and I had plans with my friend. She was going to do my nails and I was like, okay, I'll come at like 6:30 whatever. She's like, I'll only come meet you. I was like, okay. She's like, when will you get free? I was like, I'm actually free. I was literally just like under my covers watching Netflix. I was just lazy to go upar, literally 3 floors upar in my own building. But she's coming niche. I haven't seen her in a bit now because she was quarantining at her kaka's house and now she's back in my building. She's like, what do your nails look like? I was like I sent her a picture of this. I was like, this is literally what my nails look like. I don't really put nail polish a lot, but the other day I put nail polish. Like literally not even less than a week ago I put this and it's already like how?
Your camera scares me sometimes.
Why is this blue? Why is this blue?
How about you? After a long time. Very long time.
This, my god, I wasn't
See?
expecting this, but I'm excited. She's gonna turn my ratchet ass nails.
Into something nice.
Yeah.
Is this recording?
Yeah.
Oh god.
So everyone that asks me, where's Dhati Di? Dhati Di's here only. She's just locked down.
And stupid exam.
No, because people are like, where's Dhati? I was like, she's Dhati Di also has a life. So her life isn't only being in Ashna Di's vlogs.
If I didn't, obviously I'd be here only.
Yeah. What is wow?
Look at this. What are you going to show?
Guys, I'm doing nails. Can you guess the color?
Black.
इतना एंगल करने की दिसणार नहीं.
अरे हाँ, mom, I'm not even showing you, bro.
Just did that.
Shut up, Dharti.
व्यवस्थित बघ.
काय? नाही. थांब.
ते अर्धवट काम असतं.
Guys, listen, whenever these two meet, they roast me. It's so
I think it's all your friends. It's not just me.
They always, especially when it's you and my mom, they are always roasting me. I don't like that. No, it's bad bite. Both of us are so annoying. Both of us are damn annoying, bro. I forgot how fun
Instead
this
of all this, you could just put it there
was. There.
on the seat.
झालं ना?
थोड़ा था.
Perfect.
Perfect. तो broad पडेल चांगला.
Wow, all this Dharti has.
तर ते तू नवीच आहे.
I'll put Dharti's
Lockdown,
number.
man.
I'll put Dharti's number in the description column.
Only we were in Mumbai. Yeah? My exam got. Did she tell you? My exam got postponed again. Third time.
अरे बापरे. हा, काही
2 years. CFA level 2. 2 years की postponed था.
I wasn't expecting this.
Going on, they'll just tell you go home. काही करता नहीं.
अच्छा, okay.
I had gone once in the evening. They just like go home.
Evening just go. It's okay.
No, right now it's very hot in the evening.
Ooh, guys, which color
Color, which color do you want?
We used to play, no?
Yeah, so much.
बघू आशा कलर.
I'm so excited.
This is exciting.
Second one.
There are so many.
My mom goes, second one. Second one. She's trying to get me a slot for vaccine.
एक minute.
Huh?
Like Dhumketu.
What?
धूमकेतू इज अ શું કહેવાય?
You know, Halley's
Comet.
Comet.
Oh yeah.
It is seen only once in
That's you. That's you.
once in 145 years old.
Oh yeah, what 145 years.
And unpredictable.
36.
Yeah, that is unpredictable.
36?
32. आपल्या गाडीचा नंबर काय?
3632.
हा 36.
What did you say?
9632. One digit. You didn't even know that much, okay? Shut up.
मला आता
Wait.
One digit,
What is
one
this?
digit.
We're doing nails.
What?
Nails.
This is nail cutter. I have a simple.
हो आता बघ नेल्सचं सगळं आणलंय की.
You will like.
Why do you need such a complicated nail cutter?
This is nail cutter. I have very simple one.
Why do you make that complicated?
धरती तू आली एक फक्त
And
16
you need power
सेकंड.
and all.
अरे ते मस्त ते आहे.
I'm obsessed. Darcy, your face. I feel like if my personality was a color, it would be this color.
That's true.
Right? Guys, I'm obsessed. This is so cute. Wait.
Don't move.
No, wait. I'm just trying to focus. This is so cute. Okay, let's just do ring finger.
तिला.
Auntie la. Show what?
मला वाटलं
Smell. It smells like something.
लेमन.
Lemon, na? See?
पामोलिन
Obsessed.
What am I excited for?
It's on.
Yeah.
She's excited to get me vaxxed. Literally waiting with all these time slots. I'm gonna get second copyrighted because it was perfect. Ed Sheeran, don't get me copyrighted. No, but Adhi's just always more excited than me for like.
You're just laid back.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
But yeah, she's excited to get me vaxxed and jabbed.
Wax and jabbed.
Vaxxed and then
Wax and jab.
she's removed. What is this called? Screen time or something, so it doesn't go away. I don't even know. I'm giving you such extra details. You guys are like, Ashna, shut up. You don't need to know like the little things in your life. Nobody cares.
Me kabir. This who kabir choo. Who kabir choo.
What is it?
What did you say?
You're saying some hoo choo.
That is Gujarati kabir.
No, I know that is Gujarati.
So
but
then why are you doing that to my language?
I'm not doing that to your language because when I'm saying who, you're saying choo. When you're saying choo, I'm saying who. I mean, what is happening?
Finally, I'm also going to be doing subscriber shout outs from now on. Somebody like suggested this, so I'm going to do this. Basically, whatever comments that you guys leave on this video, I will pick one comment and I will read it out and mention it in my next video. So right now I'm going to pick a comment from my last video. My last video, which is teaching my mom slang terms. If you haven't watched it already, go watch it. It was super fun. Okay, so this video's subscriber shout out goes to Navya. Navya says, starting the day with Ashna's video, what else do we need? Thank you, Navya. That's very sweet. I'm glad you enjoy my videos.
I love you. Okay guys, I'm ending this video here. Go download Storytel. Take advantage of the exclusive discount offer, which is 90 days access for rupees 375 only. Let's Kyun chamak chalo. Bye guys.